Sa pinagsinunuin.
Mula niya gindidinuing. What? It's a masterpiece. Nitro. It's a masterpiece. Look. I can't even believe your age. You can draw like this. Because your age, you know what? You draw doodles and other stick drawings. Stick figures. But this one, it's almost real. Wow. Is this your mommy Shanta?
What?
Is this your mommy Shanta?
No.
Who's that?
Wednesday.
Oh, it looks like your mommy Shanta when she's grumpy.
Kaya sabi ko, niya proportion, nagsayo pa niya proportion ang mga
Oh.
ginagawa. Tapos na si Mommy, look, she's not angry, she's smiling. So, gano'n
Oh.
niya lips, sinotro ko, no, Mommy, she's still smiling, she's still happy, she should be angry.